The light recovery option extracts details from the lighter regions of the image. Now look here, there's a color checkbox. If it's selected, it will recover details from the lighter areas along with the color. If it's not selected, it will recover details without the color. The same option is also available in the shortcut panel. You can see here, Light Recovery C means light recovery with color, and Light Recovery L means without color. Let's first apply it without color. You'll notice that the lighter areas are being recovered without color. You can see a grayish tone on the flower and in other areas. Now let's clear the history. This time, we'll apply light recovery with color. Now you can see we are getting a much better tone in the lighter areas. You can compare the before and after images.